Here's something that happens to almost everyone who signs up for HeyGen. You pick the creator plan, you see unlimited videos, and you think you can make as many as you want. Then about a week in, you try using their best avatar, and suddenly it won't render anymore. You check your account and realize you're completely out of credits after just 2 videos. They would probably call that a feature. And that's exactly how the plan is designed to work. And they're not hiding it, but they're definitely not explaining it clearly either. So today I'm going to break down how the system actually works in simple terms. I'll show you what you really get for $29 a month and how to use it properly so you don't burn through your credits instantly. Let's start with the biggest thing that confuses almost everyone. When they say unlimited videos, they mean unlimited standard avatar videos only. Those avatars are decent quality, fast to render, and usable for a lot of content. But that's not why most people sign up in the first place. Most people sign up because of the hyper-realistic Avatar 4 demos. The ones where you genuinely can't tell it's AI anymore. Those pretty much seem like the avatars you find on the homepage and also what you see in the ads. And those are not unlimited, but good luck trying to figure out how the credit system works before you buy a plan. Avatar 4 runs on what they call premium credits, and we're going to talk about that today. And the creator plan gives you 200 of those per month. That sounds like a lot at first glance, until you see how fast they actually get used up. 1 minute of Avatar 4 video costs about 20 credits. So a 5-minute video costs about 100 credits. That's almost half your monthly credits in one video. Do the math for a second. You have 200 credits for the month. That means you can realistically make 2 premium videos a month. 2 videos on a plan that says unlimited. Now, to be clear, this isn't a scam. It's actually a powerful tool when used correctly. But the way it's presented can mislead you, especially if you don't understand the credit system up front. Here's how the system actually works behind the scene. There are 3 separate systems running at the same time, and confusing them is what causes most people's frustration. System 1 is Avatar 3 avatars. These are truly unlimited with no credit usage at all. You can render as many of these as you want. These are perfect for training content or quick social videos. System 2 is Premium Credits. This is where Avatar 4 lives. This is your limited, high-value resource each month. These should only be used for your highest quality content. System 3 is Translation Minutes. This one surprises a lot of people. You get 120 translation minutes per month, and those can disappear quickly if you're doing multilingual content. 3 systems, 3 limits, but only one is actually unlimited. If you remember nothing else, remember that. Now here's how to actually use this system effectively. Rule 1, never use premium credits for testing. Use standard avatars to test your script and timing first. Then switch to Avatar 4 only for the final version. Rule 2, use standard avatars for short-form content. Shorts, TikToks, and Reels don't need ultra-realism. Most viewers won't even notice the difference at that length. Rule 3, plan your premium videos ahead of time. You only get about 2 per month. Decide exactly which videos deserve that quality level. Rule 4, only upgrade if your output truly demands it. The jump from $29 to $99 is significant. That's over $1,000 per year difference. Make sure it's a business decision, not frustration. One more important thing to understand before you decide. Most complaints about this platform aren't about the technology. The avatars are genuinely impressive. The frustration comes from billing confusion and expectations. If you understand the system from the start, your experience will be very different. You won't feel like you got tricked. you'll feel like you're using it strategically. So here's the takeaway. Unlimited means unlimited standard avatars. Premium credits are your real monthly budget, and that budget equals about 2 high-quality videos per month. Plan around that, and the tool becomes extremely useful. Ignore that, and you'll feel burned very quickly. All right, this is not confirmed yet, but there's a chance that HeyGen is about to drop something big on April 8th. Avatar Fama. From what's circulating, it could let you record just 15 seconds and turn that into a full digital version of you. Voice, movement, everything. And we're talking unlimited looks, environments, and content, but we have to talk about the elephant in the room. We know how the large AI models work. They release a new version, and then they give the next version down to the people. Claude releases Opus 4.6, Opus 4.5 becomes the next tier down with higher limit. And I believe Avatar 4 came out in May of 25. Will Avatar 4 become the new unlimited for those on the creator plan? Put your guess in the comments below. Or will they come out with a new mid-tier and still leave creators on Avatar 3? And remember, whatever happens if there's a new plan, you better understand what the term unlimited means and ask before you buy it. Thanks for staying until the end. When here's the surprise I promised. Every appearance of me in this video was with an avatar. That's right, and guess what? This was not made with HeyGen, it wasn't made with Synthesia, it wasn't even made live by me. Hey, if you like the way this looks, this was actually made with... In an upcoming video, I'll tell everyone exactly how I did this. Put your guess in the comments below. Breakdown saved you from a bad surprise. That's the goal of this channel. Subscribe if you want honest breakdowns of AI tools like this. And if you want to compare plans properly, check the link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.